So after watching the Nearpod, there wasn't an exact math problem to use with the number line. So I'm just going to show a simple way that I might incorporate this in my classroom. So I would use this little tool, which is a little jump, and sometimes it can give you the number if you click the option to show the number or not. I would use show not to show it, and I would drag it to the 11, and then I would ask my students how many jumps would it take to get from 5 to 11. I would wait, and then to give them the feedback, I would say, yes, it is plus 6 jumps to get from 5 to 11. They also have the option to do negative. So, whoops, I would maybe do how many spaces does it take to get from 5 to 3 on the number line. And then I would plug in the answer, minus 2 spaces, and that's kind of how I would use this app for the number line.